Alright, so we got the new and improved, I think, giant slip bobber. Not, you can see the new giant pirate slip bobber. You can get them only on my site for about $150 a piece. I'm just kidding. There aren't any for sale. But $150? Nah. I'm fishing with soft fajita shells. Little itty bitty hooks. I mean, these are itty bitty. Not even as big as my thumbnail, I don't think. They're sharp and they're brand new. I just put them on. I'm fishing with 2 hooks. Soft fajita shells for bait. This is I think it's 17-pound test fluorocarbon leader. Matched with the giant pirate bobby. And then it slides back and forth just like that. Whee, 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 whee. And it's got a little bead at the top. That stops it right there. It doesn't go any higher than that. I think I got it all rigged up right. Let's give them the magic noise again. I think that gets them primed and ready. Alright, here's the rig in action. Goes up, goes down. Isn't that enticing? Alright, here it is, here it is. Let's put it back here. Right there where everybody can see it. Uh-oh, we got action. Oh, we got one! Oh, look at that. The giant bobber. It doesn't seem like it's pulling very hard. It's not very big, I guess. That's why. But it's a fish on the giant bobber, right? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That was the Geico lizard guy out there. From the UK. That little tiny fish. Yeah, but he fell for it. Fell for the giant Bobby. Come on, giant Bobby. I know there got to be a half dozen of them just looking at it. I got something. He's pulling a little harder than that other one pulled. That's for sure. Fighter. Mr. Fighter to you. I bet it's a shell cracker. Oh, it's a big fat shell cracker. Look at that. We didn't bend that rod. Ahooga! Got him on the giant Bobby. It works. they stare at it and stare at it until they can't stand it any longer. But it sure makes it like fun, more interesting, more visual. Catch them with the giant Bobby. It's old peg leg Pete. All right. We'll turn him loose. What's the magic word? It's contact. Na 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 na. Get your engine going. Contact. Na na na. Oh no. Oh, that wasn't a very good dive at all. All right, bait up. We got something. We got it. We got it. We got it. Big fat shell cracker. bobber. Oh, it's big. Oh, look at it bend that rod. Definitely a OMG fish. OMG. What's that stand for? Yeah. Big fat shellcracker. That's what it stands for. Yeah. What do you think? Whoa. Tried to get away. There's no escape. Yeah. Shelly the shellcracker. Alright. Bye-bye, Mr. Shelly. Oh, that was a perfect dive. He must be on the American team, yeah? Huh? Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe.